hiding. I am playing bowling. They are share, visit, grow, want and shake. Let's play. What is it? Grow. Animals can grow and move. Yes. Share. I share my toys with my sister. Want. I want a toy car. I am sorry. Visit. I visit my cousin in the summer. Shake. I am shaking the bottle. Goodbye. See you next time. I love you.